Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I will be showing you how to post on Instagram. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to simply launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now to post, all you have to do is to simply tap this plus icon here that is next to this magnifying glass feature. So to simply add or post a picture on Instagram, you can just go to your gallery and then scroll down and look for the specific post or picture that you want to post here on your Instagram. So here I have just added a random photo from my gallery. And if you tap this filter icon here, you can change the effects of the photo. Aside from that, you can also tap this music icon to add some music to your picture or to your post. You can adjust or trim the sound, and then once done, you can click this check icon right here and then tap next. So here, what you want to do is just simply add a caption. So let's just say you want to add a caption like, "Hi, my name is Pai." And below, you can see here an option or feature, a poll option. So you can set a poll here. So let's just say you want to ask them if am I cute. They can answer yes or no. And then you can also add some location right here. You can turn on your location services, or you can simply search your location right here and then add. You can also tag people and invite collaborators if you want. And then after that, tap check. Now here you can select the audience to everyone or close friend, and then change your music if you want. If you tap this advanced settings, and then you can probably see here if you want to hide like and view counts, if you want to turn off comments, if you want to share this post to your Facebook. And then after that, you can go back and you can now share your post here. Okay. Now go to your profile to see the result. And that's how easy it is to post on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.